News 8 Storm Team Forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
It is gloomy out there across the majority of the Susquehanna Valley. Not much sunshine and light rain. The rain will pick up in intensity as we head through this evening, and we're talking some impressive rainfall totals. Live look right now over Harrisburg, and you can see that low tropical air sitting overhead right now in the form of some clouds. Right now it is 75 degrees, and check out those dew points sitting in the upper 60s. Classify that as almost muggy by late September standards, and winds right now at east-southeast at 5 miles per hour. There is a flash flood watch that is in effect from Tuesday or from this afternoon at 4 o'clock all the way through noon on Wednesday for the counties mainly to the west of the Susquehanna River, and that's where the heaviest rainfall is anticipated to come down later this evening and overnight. Eastern counties still could see some impressive rainfall totals. Rain is coming down right now for areas from Harrisburg and points off mainly to the north and to the west. The heaviest showers at this hour, if you're watching this in Mifflin, Juniata, and also into Perry County from Blaine up toward Lewistown right now. Back off to our south and to the west, that's where the impressive heavy rainfall is all starting to come together. What is happening is we have a cold front coming in from the northwest, and that is going to meet up with this area of low pressure that is developing over the Ohio River Valley, and that's going to squeeze all that tropical moisture and lift it up and give us that heavy rainfall that is anticipated later this evening. So scattered showers, and there may be a few isolated thunderstorms this afternoon, but that rainfall is going to become widespread, I think, area-wide as we head into the evening hours. The heaviest rain will come down while you sleep, and temperatures are not dropping much, only dropping into the mid to upper 60s. And then as we head through tomorrow, we'll start off with some widespread rain, and then I do expect the rain to slack off in intensity and also in the number of showers as we head through the afternoon. Highs tomorrow will be back closer to seasonal averages in the upper 60s or lower 70s. But check out where we are right now. It is 77 degrees if you're watching us in Lancaster, 76 at this hour in York, and 74 currently in Carlisle. And the winds still continue to come back up out of the southwest, bringing in all of that moisture. So we thought as we were heading into the weekend that this high pressure ridge would win out, but it does not look like that this front that's coming in moves too far. As we head on into the week, or I'd say the back half of Thursday, this front's not going too far away. Watch what happens. As we head through the evening hours, the rain becomes widespread and will be most intense through the overnight hours. Then this front starts to move and work its way off down to our south. Cooler air will funnel in with as we head on into Wednesday, but this front starts to slide out in the open waters of the Atlantic, but it stays close to the region. Moisture is going to wrap around the backside as we head on into Thursday, coming in from the east, and our rain chances will stay up as we head into Thursday and Friday as temperatures continue to cool down. And it's all because of what is happening with the tropical storm that's off down to our south and west. So here's the first round of rain that we're anticipating. This is why we have the flash flood watch. Widespread 1 to 3 inches of rain and possibly up to 4 inches in some isolated spots. So that's why we're concerned about, especially the heavy rain coming down overnight, that there could be some water on roads and some swollen creeks and streams. But let's talk about storm system number 2 we're watching. That is the tropical storm Joaquin. Right now, to the northeast of the Bahamas is the current circulation. You can see on the northern side of the storm, the air is, skies are relatively clear. South side of the storm is where we have the heaviest rain and the thickest clouds. What's experiencing is some shear. And what that's going to do is it's going to steer Joaquin to the west first. So as we head through Wednesday, still remains a fairly decent strength tropical storm. Then it's when we head into Thursday and Friday, we anticipate the storm to start to turn to the north. The National Hurricane Center is still placing this not too far away from us as we head into Sunday. And given its current location, or its forecasted path by the time we head into Sunday, some of this moisture may wrap around back into the Susquehanna Valley and give us some showers for the weekend ahead. So stay tuned. It's where Joaquin goes will really determine how our weather plays out for the weekend. But until then, notice how gloomy it is for much of the week ahead. Highs today in the upper 70s, then the cooler air arrives. Highs only near 60 degrees on Thursday, and then it's all eyes on Joaquin. How close does it hug to the coast? Does it stay out in the open waters of the Atlantic? We'll let you know, because that's really going to influence our rain chances by Friday into Saturday.